Today, we're going to dive into a topic that some of you might find interesting: how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. It's a straightforward process, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're using the regular Facebook Messenger app, not Messenger Lite. Lite has some limitations and lacks the option to enable or disable end-to-end encryption. Now, once you've got your Messenger open, look for the pencil icon in the upper right corner. Give that a tap to start a new conversation. Here you are on the new message page. Look at the lock icon in the upper right corner. If you toggle this button on and start a chat, you'll see a message saying end-to-end encrypted. That means encryption is currently enabled. If you want to disable it and go back to regular messaging, simply go back and open a chat without tapping on the lock icon. Make sure not to start a secret conversation. Alternatively, if you've already enabled end-to-end encryption, you can disable it by tapping on the lock icon again. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide on how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.